Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a project that's close to my heart, a dining room makeover. And not just any makeover, we're going for that warm, inviting, rustic feel that makes you want to gather everyone around the table and linger a little longer. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to refresh your existing space, I'm going to walk you through each step of the process, sharing all my tips and tricks along the way. We'll talk about everything from choosing the perfect color palette to finding those one-of-a-kind pieces that add character and charm. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, get those Pinterest boards ready, and let's get started on creating a dining room that's as beautiful as it is full of life. Before we grab our paintbrushes, let's plan our vision. A successful makeover starts with the right ingredients. Define what rustic means to you. Cozy farmhouse, industrial chic, or a blend? Create a mood board with images, fabric swatches, and paint samples. Measure your dining room and consider the layout. Set a realistic budget and allocate funds for furniture, paint, and lighting. Don't forget, charming rustic finds come from antique stores and flea markets. Now that we have our plan in place, let's talk color. The right palette can transform a room. For a rustic dining room, think warmth, coziness, and nature. Use earthy neutrals like warm beige, creamy ivory, soft taupe, and muted grays. These colors create a calming backdrop. Add natural hues like sage green, terracotta, or mustard yellow. These add subtle vibrancy. Incorporate wood tones for warmth. Light to medium wood finishes add rustic charm. Consider accent shades like deep blues, burnt orange, or rich burgundy. Choosing the right furniture is key to creating that perfect rustic dining room. Start with the heart of the space, the dining table. Look for a sturdy piece with a natural or distressed finish. Reclaimed wood tables are always a good choice, or you can opt for a classic farmhouse-style table with turned legs and a weathered patina. When it comes to seating, don't be afraid to mix and match. Pair upholstered chairs with a wooden bench or incorporate industrial metal chairs for an eclectic look. And for extra comfort and a touch of rustic charm, add cushions or throws in cozy fabrics like linen or burlap. Storage is another important consideration. A vintage sideboard or buffet is a great way to store dinnerware and linens, while open shelving allows you to display your favorite dishes and decor pieces. For a more rustic, organized look, incorporate baskets or crates to corral clutter and add visual interest. Now let's talk about the foundation of our rustic dining room, the flooring and rugs. Wood flooring is always a classic choice for a rustic space. Opt for hardwood or laminate in warm, natural tones that complement your color palette. If you're working with existing tile or vinyl flooring, don't worry. You can still achieve that rustic look by incorporating wood-look adhesive tiles or a large area rug. Speaking of rugs, choose a natural fiber rug, such as jute, sisal, or wool, to anchor your dining table and define the space. Make sure the rug is large enough to accommodate the table and chairs, even when they're pulled out. A good rule of thumb is to choose a rug that extends at least 2 feet beyond the edges of the table on all sides. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of any room, and in a rustic dining room, we want to create a warm, inviting ambiance. For overhead lighting, consider a statement chandelier or pendant light in materials like wrought iron, wood, or aged metal. A rustic wagon wheel chandelier is a classic choice, or you can opt for a simpler design with Edison bulbs for a vintage touch. To add a warm glow and create a cozy atmosphere, incorporate wall sconces or floor lamps. Place them strategically around the room to highlight architectural details or artwork. Now comes the fun part, adding those special touches that bring your rustic dining room to life. Start with your table decor. Use linen or burlap table runners and placemats to add texture and warmth. For a simple centerpiece, try mason jar candles, a eucalyptus garland, or a wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruits. On the walls, hang vintage-inspired artwork, framed botanical prints, or farmhouse signs. You can even create a gallery wall using old frames, mirrors, or woven baskets. And don't forget the greenery. Incorporating plants such as succulents, ferns, or dried flowers adds a touch of life and freshness to your rustic dining room. Place them in rustic pots or vases for added charm. And one of the best ways to add character and personality to your rustic dining room is to incorporate DIY projects. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they also give you the opportunity to create something truly unique and special. Try building a large wooden clock with painted numbers for a charming focal point. Or install peel-and-stick shiplap panels to create an accent wall that adds texture and dimension. For a touch of whimsy, create hanging lanterns with mason jars, twine, and fairy lights. And if you have an old wooden ladder lying around, repurpose it as a display for blankets or decor. Alright, we're in the home stretch. Now it's time to add those finishing touches that bring everything together. Start by layering your space with cozy throw blankets and cushions in complementary colors and textures. Incorporate natural materials like wicker baskets, wooden trays, and pottery to enhance the rustic aesthetic. And don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and finishes for a collected over time look. As you style your space, be sure to incorporate personal elements, family photos, heirlooms, or handmade items. These are the things that make your house a home and tell your story. And finally, remember that decorating is an ongoing process. Have fun with it. Update your decor seasonally, try new arrangements, and don't be afraid to experiment until you create a space that you absolutely love. Congratulations, you did it! You've officially transformed your dining room into a rustic haven. By combining natural materials, earthy tones, and your own personal touches, you've created a space that's both stylish and inviting. Imagine gathering around this beautiful table with your loved ones, sharing stories and creating memories that will last a lifetime. That's what it's all about, creating a home that's as beautiful as it is welcoming. I hope this makeover has inspired you to embark on your own rustic decorating journey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more home decor tips and inspiration. And be sure to share your own rustic transformations using the hashtag #RusticDiningRoomMakeover. Happy decorating!